Today we're going to show you some tips and tricks on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. These will work on most packages that were offered between those model years. Let's get started. Your first tip is that your seats fold down. It's a 50-50 split. Most people don't know this because your seat belt covers the mechanism, which is right over here in this right corner. Just pull that over and pull down. Same thing on the other side, and that one is over here. Let me get this. And that comes down like that. Fold your seats back up. Fold your seat back. This will only work on the coupes. The convertibles do not have the folding seat option. Also, if you want to clean your seats, there's a little tab underneath here, and you just press the tab. There's one there, and there's one right here. See that tab right there? And then you can take your seats out. They come right out, and you can clean underneath your seats, and then just put them right back in. Your car has two gutters that have drain plugs on them. The reason why you want to come in and get these drain plugs, and here's one right down here, okay? And I'm going to stick my arm in, and it's right here. I'll pull this out, and look, they get stopped up just like this one does. And what happens is the water comes up here, and then it flows right into your cabin air filter, which is also right underneath here. See our video for that. And you can replace your cabin air filter, but this will prevent water from backing up into the floorboard of your Mustang. Now the other one on this side, most people don't take it out, but you should, because, oh my goodness, it gets just as clogged up as that one. And there's also another drain in here. Water will come out and you have some dirt like this. Make sure you clean these up. It's very important you do that, or else you're gonna get water in your car. Here's another tip for you. When you open your door, you notice that your window comes down a little bit. You can see it comes down just a little bit. Well, sometimes when you close your door, it doesn't go back up. There's a way to reset that. And what you do is you put your window down and hold it for 2 seconds. 1001, 1002. And then you put your window back up all the way, and you go 1001, 1002. And that resets your window so that when you open your door, it comes down to right about here. So that when you close your door, it automatically goes back up. Our final tip, you can actually change the color of your dashboard when your lights are on. Right now it's kind of a purple color. Come over to your information center here, and if you have a premium, you should have the information center. If you don't have the information center, these will just be blank like this, okay, on this side. Hit setup twice, and it'll say display color, my color, adjust. Hit my color, and then hit again, reset, and you can go to different colors. You can change it to green, blue, purple, white, orange, and red. Now we're going to keep it on red. Then you just hit setup. You can also do English to metric, and then it'll automatically go back to your miles till empty and your odometer reading. And that's some of the tips and tricks that you'll find on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. Hope these helped you. If they do, please click like and subscribe to our channel for a lot more tips and tricks and fixes for your Ford Mustangs. Thanks for watching.